Did you know that the clear liquid inside a coconut, often called coconut water, is more than just a refreshing drink? It's actually nature's own health tonic, loaded with nutrients and healing properties. Let's talk about what you can do with it, and why you should never throw it away. First, coconut water is an incredible source of hydration. It's rich in natural electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and sodium. This makes it perfect for replacing lost fluids after exercise, heat, or even illness. If you've ever felt dizzy, weak, or dehydrated, coconut water might just be the natural boost your body needs. Drink it fresh in the morning or right after your workout. You can even add lemon or mint for an extra detox effect. Now let's move to the skin. Coconut water works wonders as a gentle toner. It soothes, hydrates, and refreshes your face, especially during hot weather. Just apply it with a cotton pad or use a spray bottle. Want to go a step further? Mix coconut water with a bit of honey or turmeric to make a simple, natural face mask. Your skin will thank you for it. For your hair, coconut water can act as a natural leave-in conditioner. It hydrates the scalp, reduces dryness, and helps with dandruff. Simply massage a little into your scalp, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. You can even mix it with aloe vera for a nourishing hair mist. In the kitchen, coconut water can be used in many creative ways. It adds a naturally sweet flavor to smoothies, oatmeal, or even rice. You can also freeze it into ice cubes or blend it into tropical popsicles, healthy and delicious. In traditional medicine, coconut water is known to help with urinary tract health, fevers, and even high blood pressure, thanks to its cooling and cleansing properties. Just remember, moderation is key. Now, a quick word of caution. People with kidney issues or those on a restricted potassium diet should avoid drinking too much coconut water, and always consume it fresh. It spoils quickly once the coconut is cracked open. And here's something extra for entrepreneurs. If you're in a coconut-rich area, you can bottle fresh coconut water or create simple skincare products, like natural face sprays, for sale. People love natural remedies when they're well presented. So next time you crack open a coconut, don't toss the water. Use it, drink it, apply it, share it. Because this simple gift from nature has more value than many people realize. This is Real in Shorts, and that was your Health Smart tip of the day. Stay natural, stay nourished.